Hi everybody, welcome to this crash course in JavaScript. My name is Edwin and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I'm going to introduce you to JavaScript and teach you the major components of this great language. Now, you might be asking yourself, why should you learn JavaScript? Well, I'm going to give you a couple reasons why. It's very easy to use, and as a matter of fact, it's already installed in your computer. You don't have to do anything. So you don't have to install complicated software to make it run. We're going to do that right there in your computer. You can manipulate any element on any website that you want. You can make cartoons, you can make slideshows. I mean, there is unlimited things that you can do with JavaScript. It's super powerful. You can load information from servers super fast. And just to give you an example, once you start typing something in Google, you start seeing suggestions, you start seeing other keywords. Basically, Google is finishing the keywords before you even type them, right? And that's based on popularity. And they do that with JavaScript and Ajax. Once you finish learning JavaScript, you can jump into Ajax and you can start doing things like that. Super easy. Another great thing of JavaScript is that once you become a JavaScript developer or programmer, you can start getting paid a lot more. JavaScript developers or programmers, they get paid a lot of money. There is a lot of jobs out there. There are a lot of jobs that you can right now take that will pay you really good money just starting in JavaScript. All right. So this course is gonna help you jump into those advanced courses. But anyway, more about that later. Now, what is the objective of this course? I want to teach you the major components of the language. That way you can be ready to jump in those advanced courses. Basically, I want to prepare you for advanced courses. You're not going to be an expert when you come out of this course, but you will learn the major components to start putting things together and making work in JavaScript. Basically, I want to help you write and understand JavaScript. And it makes no sense for you to jump into an advanced course or jump into a big course and get confused. You need to learn the major components, and I know which one they are. Why? Because I went through the stage of getting confused. I went through the stage of thinking that JavaScript was actually hard. And that's because I didn't know how to use the major components. I got confused with small little features, and it took me a long time to learn it. And I'm going to give you that shortcut in a minute. Now, what are the requirements of this course? Very simple. A little HTML and CSS, a browser, and you probably already have one because you're looking at this course, right? And that's it. That's all you need. I want to thank you for actually being here and taking this course, allowing me to teach you this course. I'm really honored. And I want to give you valuable information. I want you to be happy. I want you to be ready for those advanced courses. And again, if you're ready to learn JavaScript the right way, learn the major components to get ready for those advanced courses, then you are in the right place, and let's get started.